The universe is not just big, it is far stranger than most people realize. Every time we look deeper into space, we don't just discover new planets or new stars, we discover things that challenge how reality itself works. From invisible forces that shape everything to objects that bend time and space, here are 10 things about the universe that might completely change how you see reality. Everything you can see, stars, planets, galaxies, even your own body, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is something we call dark matter and dark energy. We can't see them directly. We only know they exist because of how they affect gravity and the expansion of space. In other words, almost everything in the universe is made of something we don't truly understand. Scientists estimate that there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, and there are hundreds of billions of galaxies. When you look up at the night sky, you're not seeing most of the universe, you're seeing a tiny fraction of what actually exists. Time feels constant to us, but in reality, time changes depending on gravity and speed. The stronger gravity is, the slower time moves. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows down dramatically compared to Earth. This means time is not fixed. It stretches, bends, and flows differently across the universe. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. If you were to approach one, space and time would begin to behave in strange ways. From the outside, it would look like you were slowing down and eventually freezing in time. From your own perspective, you would keep falling normally, but the universe around you would become completely distorted. The universe is not just expanding, it is expanding at an accelerating rate. Something called dark energy is pushing space itself apart. This means that over time, distant galaxies will move away from us faster than light can ever reach them. Eventually, parts of the universe will become completely unreachable, not because they are gone, but because space itself is growing too fast. The atoms in your body were not created on Earth. They were formed inside stars that lived and died billions of years ago. When those stars exploded, they scattered the elements needed for planets, life, and people. Every carbon atom in your body, every oxygen atom you breathe, and every iron atom in your blood was forged in the heart of a star. In a very real sense, you are made of stardust. What we call empty space is not really empty. At the smallest scales, particles appear and disappear constantly. Energy fluctuates, fields vibrate. Space itself is alive with motion. Even in the darkest, emptiest parts of the universe, reality is still moving. There is no true nothingness. The observable universe is limited by time and the speed of light. Light from farther away simply has not had enough time to reach us yet. So when we talk about the size of the universe, we are really talking about the size of what we can see, not necessarily everything that exists. The universe could be far bigger than what we will ever be able to observe. Some theories suggest that our universe may not be the only one. This idea is called the multiverse. If it is real, there could be countless universes with different laws of physics, different constants, and completely different realities. Right now, we do not know if this is true, but the math allows it. There are many theories about how the universe will end. One of the most accepted is called the heat death of the universe. Over an incredibly long time, stars will burn out, galaxies will fade, and everything will slowly approach darkness and stillness, not with a dramatic explosion, but with silence. The more we learn about the universe, the stranger it becomes, and the more we realize how small and how rare our moment in time really is. Maybe the most incredible thing is not how big the universe is, but that it exists at all, and that we are here to witness it.